I just feel super overwhelmed and disorganized right now. When I feel like this, I have my own little system of like how I solve that problem for myself. And so I thought, why don't I just turn the camera on and show you what I do in real time of how I take myself from feeling like completely overwhelmed and disorganized to completely calm and in control. Yes, I have wet hair. I just got out of the shower. Wet hair, don't care. Okay, ChatGPT, I need your help organizing all my thoughts. My brain is, I feel like I'm getting a download of like 6,000 thoughts all at the same time. I have handwritten notes everywhere. And I only have like, oh my gosh, less than an hour left of my work week before I go pick up Marley from school. And yeah, and then I just want to be able to like totally unplug this weekend and enjoy my time with her. So I need your help capturing all my notes and then organizing them for me so I can go from like, I just feel super stressed out and overwhelmed right now. And I really just want to feel like I'm organized and have everything in control. All right. I'm gonna dictate this instead. Okay, so let me just read you through my notes. Well, first of all, I want to say I really want to get my that vlog out today that I've been like working on this week, because I just need to finish it. I put so many hours into it and I really just want to get that video out. I also want to, after it's published, I want to go to the PTYA community and then ask for feedback on my title and thumbnail, because I've put so much overthinking into that, and it's like I just need to choose a title, a title and a thumbnail, which I'm gonna do a thumbnail test. I already did an A/B test. I already have that set up, but I just need to finish optimizing the video, checking the description. What else? Oh, I need to add tags. I need to get the smart link for it. I need to get, and not only that, I want the playlist hack. So get the smart link for that video, but also connect it to a relevant playlist, which is probably like my mompreneur one. Okay, so that's the YouTube video thing. Let me make sure that you heard me say all this. Okay, and then more stuff about the YouTube video. God, I have so many notes about this. Okay, I also need to check the copyright because it's my first time using Licked. And I paid for the licenses for all of the songs that I used, and it's still uploading as like a flagged copyright for one of the songs. And it's like, what? No, like I paid for the license, like, come on. All right, so I need to look more into that. That's not quite a priority though right now, because it does say, like, YouTube did say I can post it and there's like no visibility restrictions, but when my channel gets monetized eventually, it said there could be a problem with monetization. I don't want to have that problem because I paid for the license, like I said. Okay, so just get that captured. Not a priority today though, I'll just do it later. Okay, then I also want to make sure, so this morning at our live TLE group coaching session, Michelle asked like the best question ever, and I don't remember exactly how she worded it, but the question was something along the lines like, she just really struggles with creating content and doing her like social media marketing and all that kind of stuff. And so it was a brilliant question. And then Danny and I, like, what we said, the coaching we gave her, the advice and everything, I was like, oh my gosh, we just totally filmed like a masterclass on basically creating inspired content that attracts clients. And so, and then I said, like, speaking of that topic, I told all of our clients that they should use the vlog that I'm about to publish, the one I'm talking about right here, because it's like over an hour long. And I said, the vlog was exactly what I'm talking about. Like, it's inspired content in the moment. It wasn't scripted. And I was like, you guys should really watch it, like, but watch it from a perspective of like, study it, like study how I do inspired content creation, unscripted, and authentic. And like there's so many teaching points in there. Okay, so I want to, once the video is published, then I need to like probably send an announcement or something to our TLE members to let them know the video is published, give them the link. Again, use the smart link. In that announcement, I also want to post it in the Fun and Ease Club because, again, teaching point, like we can use this to teach our Fun and Ease Club members as well. What else? Then I want to clip out, there's like a whole, I don't even know how long it is, 20-minute segment in there where I tell the story of like how my first business as an entrepreneur was a yoga business in Roatan, Honduras over a decade ago. A lot of people probably don't even know that. And I'm like, and it's a really good story. So like the vlog ended up being a total story time, but I feel like that story could be a standalone YouTube video. And so I also want to pull that section out of there and then just, title and thumbnail it and then upload that as a separate YouTube video. So write that down. I also want to send a promotional email, not only from DannyandBrooke.com, but also from BrookeSears.com, sending out, some sort of email, just basically saying like, there's just so much in there. It's like, it's the story of how I became an entrepreneur. It's use this to study how I create content that is just like easy and just flows and is from the heart, And there's like so many other lessons in there, like engagement and, I don't even know right now, and that doesn't matter, but I'm just brain dumping. Okay. So I got to do that. I also want to clip out the story of, how I started my first business in Roatan. I also would really like to clip that video out and post it inside the mastermind group because I want to share with them, like so many of my mastermind friends don't know that story, and I would really like to share it inside that group too. So although I would prefer people watch my YouTube channel, obviously, I kind of just feel like it's a video that I should just post as a video inside of there and not make the mastermind people watch it on YouTube. So I also want to do that. I also want to use, take this video and then I want to repurpose it into a bunch of short form content for YouTube Shorts and for Facebook Reels. Okay, so I think that's all with the YouTube video. Let's make sure that you got all that. Okay, awesome. Next, I need to print out the tax documents that were emailed to me yesterday. I need to print those out and mail them. I need to look for the stamp because I found it. No, I don't remember where I put it. Gotta find the stamp. On the one YouTube video where I talk about like, it took me 25 years to learn this, I want to go back to that video. I want to update the thumbnail. I want to add chapters to it, the timestamps. Oh, did I even say that for the vlog? Add this to the vlog I need to finish today. I need to add timestamps to it. Add the timestamps. That's missing from the description. Okay, go back to the 25 years video, change the thumbnail to set yourself free on the text on the thumbnail. I want to add the timestamps. And then just an extra idea, maybe try TubeBuddy. Not a priority today or even next week, but just a note. I may want to experiment with TubeBuddy because I like the idea of being able to test out different titles, like, different titles too, along with different thumbnails. Like I like how YouTube does, you can do thumbnail testing, but you can't do title testing, which is super annoying. So YouTube, if you're listening, could you please add that feature? All right, thanks. Next. Okay, I need to pack a new set of a new set of extra clothes for Marley for school, like for the season, for the size. Got to make sure that she's got an extra set of clothes at school. That's been on the back of my mind for a while. Okay, inside of Kajabi, here's another idea for like TLE, basically Kajabi development of the course portion. I was thinking, usually during our live group coaching sessions, like today, this is where I got the idea from, I wrote down, add supporting resources in the comments of the live recordings. So like for today, for example, so from the April 10th recording, I want to add study my YouTube video for inspired content, and then, and watch our launch party video, because we had some other teaching points in there too. And so I want to be able to like link the resources that are mentioned inside of the live sessions, so that like new people coming into the program, or even people who are just catching the replay, if they can't make it live, it's like they have like, it'll just make more sense, I think, from like a user experience. It's going to be just more like robust, you know, and just really good. Also kind of help remind people like what the session was about and all that kind of stuff. I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, okay, wrap it up. Summarize everything, document it, and then help me organize, please. Okay. Whew, you crushed that, Brooke. Deep breath. Okay. All right, top priorities to finish today before unplugging. YouTube vlog, the one I've been working on. Editing, upload, title, thumbnail, optimize. Description, timestamps, tags, smart link, connect it to the playlist, publish video, post it in the PTYA. Okay, perfect. I don't know if I can do that in 30 minutes, but okay. Personal life, print, tax documents, find the stamp, yep, mail it, and then, yes, okay, cool. Cool. Okay, awesome, this is great. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to actually finish everything on the top priorities for today, because now I literally have like 20 minutes left before I have to go pick Marley up. So help me finish, like, what is the absolute priority just to get that vlog done? I just want it out. I want it out and scheduled for probably like midnight tonight. And then the other ideas, where should I put them? Like, I don't even know where to put them right now. I typically like to store things like in my notes, or stuff. I would actually prefer to plug some stuff just into my calendar, have it time blocked. So I don't know, you tell me. All right. Okay, absolute vlog priorities. Just do just these before pickup. Okay. Finalize the title and thumbnail. Done. Upload it. It's already uploaded. Here, let me just tell it. Okay, number 1 is already done. Number 2, already done. Number 3, I just need to do the timestamps and the tags. Number 4, yes, I need to do that. I need to do number 5. And I'd like to do number 6. Okay, and then where to put the rest? Immediate, next week tasks, put it into your calendar as time block. Yeah, good job. Let's do it. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it in my notes app. Let me do that right now. Actually, can you reformat that for me so I can copy paste it and put it in my notes? Okay, I'm feeling better. Got this. Just gonna take this, copy paste. So copy, I'm gonna paste this into my notes. Whew. Actually, I'll make this one for today. This one, I'm gonna copy paste and put on a different note. Now I've got a plan. I feel so much better. All my ideas were captured, and now I can just go finish doing what I need to do for my YouTube vlog. Look back at it on here. Do the timestamps, I'm gonna do that next, and the tags, and then this stuff, get it scheduled. All right, so So that's how I go from having 6,000 ideas and feeling completely overwhelmed to like making sure that I captured everything and then feeling super calm and like in control. And now I have a plan and nothing will be lost. Hope that was helpful.